Intex on Monday launched its Cloud Jewel smartphone priced at Rs. 5,999, and within a day it has launched its second smartphone in the same series, the Cloud Gem Plus. The handset is available to purchase exclusively from Snapdeal, an e-commerce website, at Rs. 3,299. The Intex Cloud Gem Plus is a dual SIM, regular SIM plus micro SIM supporting smartphone that runs Android 5.1 Lollipop out of the box. It features a 4-inch WVGA 480 by 800 pixels resolution display with Gorilla Glass protection and a pixel density of 240 ppi. The handset is powered by a quad-core MediaTek MT6580M processor clocked at 1.3 GHz, clubbed with 512 MB of DDR2 RAM and Mali 400 GPU. The Cloud Gem Plus sports a 2-megapixel rear camera with LED flash and 2 key lens, along with the front-facing 2-megapixel fixed-focus camera. It houses 4 GB of inbuilt storage, of which 956 MB is for users. However, it can support microSD card up to 32 GB as well. The device supports 3G, 8GPS, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, FM radio, and micro USB 2.0 connectivity.